Here at PCMag, we spend a lot of our time and resources reviewing, surprise, surprise, PCs. The ones that companies build and sell. But sometimes we like to get our hands on some killer components and put together our own machines, just the way we want them. Hardware analyst Matt Buzzy and executive editor John Burek are PCMag's build experts. For the September issue of the Digital Edition, we challenged them to build a gaming PC without spending more than $1,000. In our cover story, you can follow the process they went through in deciding on just the right parts for this machine and doing the build itself, as well as how this kick-ass budget gaming PC actually turned out. If you're inspired to try a DIY computer project yourself, check out PCMag for component reviews along with tips and how-to stories. You can download our app at the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or subscribe via Zinio, Texture, Magster, or your Kindle tablet.